All right, so we got enough time the other day to clean it up a little bit. Blew out a bunch of stuff with the pressure washer. Got the wheels. Got the bed all cleaned out. Look at that. It's looking pretty good. Tailgate opens nicely. Bumper's all clean, well, mostly clean. Got all four caps. Got the inside all cleared out. All the way this time. And we got the oh, what did we take off? We took off a bunch of little things off the motor, but I can't remember what exactly. 218. So February 18 is when this thing was last running on the road. But it's all cleaned out. It's looking pretty good. Just working away on it, getting it done. Flipped it around. Had to take it down the driveway and do that. But it's looking pretty good. I'm getting there. We got a lot of work to do, but we'll get to it later.